Hey guys, this is Sam down here at Carns Powersports, and today I am showcasing a used 2020 KRX 1000. The KRX 1000s have been around for a while. This machine is loaded with accessories. You got the front bumper, you got a glass windshield, a wiper, you got a light bar on your roof, you got a washer fluid in here as well. On the inside, you do have upper doors, awesome, even though it's 70 degrees today. Next week's going to be in the low 30s. On the inside, you got your controls for all your wiper fluid. You got differential lock that Kawasaki's known for. You also have a heater, and you've got some storage in here as well for a phone, some underneath here, and you got that grab handle in case you scare your passenger. Up here on the roof, you got a polysport roof with like a see-through. I love that about Kawasaki. In the back here, you do have an open bed. You can actually add a tailgate here that we do sell in our parts department, and you got a rear panel in the back. This machine is a 1000cc. It's more sportier for those trail rides, but I've also seen my customers use these for around the house. This machine is priced at an amazing price. I can't even announce it on the video. So come down to Carns Powersports, check it out, and take home this machine.